Facebook talking about some that hoe. You late, bitch.
Love y'all. I'm out of here. Y'all go subscribe to Mama Jones.
Where's Kurt?
Go subscribe to Mama and Papa Jones YouTube channel. Y'all can't just show my children love and then don't show me no goddamn love. Where you do that at? The only time y'all want to show me love is when y'all don't see them on YouTube and shit. Mama Jones just don't tell y'all for real what they do. That's what they do.
Somebody said my
Show that some love. Don't play with me.
What happened? Why? Man, please shut up. Look at the phone.
I smell.
Oh my God.
Hey, we need to go outside. Pepe crying everything. But she is. Don't cry, Pepe.
Did y'all hear Mama? Oh, I ain't got a picture on here. She said, why I smell all we need to go outside? Oh my God, bro.
Come on, Pepe. Say, get it, Mama. Say, get it, Mama.
Why my shit keep disappearing? Hold on. Somebody keep drinking on my fucking They look stupid as fuck, man. Look at Mika, bro. They retarded. Oh my God. I don't know how to be drunk as fuck. You know I'm drunk. I'm on this live. Hold up, a bitch got this shit on the fucking plate and shit. I'm gonna regret this shit in the morning. I can't believe I'm fucking live. What? Me either. What y'all doing? I need another shot. But I need to find my shot cup. What she just did? You wonder how I've been.
The split, you hear me? Yeah, huh? I don't know, I don't listen to them niggas clearly, you know, every day. I just know what I know. Fuck. I can't tell yet.
Hey, come here, shut up. Y'all say everybody
Team Chucky Plus, Rainbow. Do whatever from you.
You know where the fuck he at. So, Flat J.
Hey, y'all like that though? Okay.
I can listen to all y'all damn music, but I play something I want to hear. That's on my level.
Alright, my tell Jayla DJ. What?
They don't want to play nothing on my level.
What you wanna play? What you wanna play?
It's right here. Open that back door, boy.
What the fuck? I'm not human, but I'm perfect. But I'm okay. So now you're playing. I'm about to give you a shot. Anybody else want to take a shot? Stop. Get the fuck from Bobby. Bitch, this was my chip before you even got in there. It's hot as bitch. My thighs sweating.
Up on this machine, that one time say, y'all
You know I was always oh.
You gonna do it together, then?
What you say? I can't see you, boo. What you say, boo? Mommy love you, boo. Wait, what you say? I can't hear you. You saying? Bitch, you keep the line. What happened?
Hey, I guess it.
She said, try to make it.
I guess
Oh, I ain't for this freeze alive.
What?
Why we keep freezing? Why we keep freezing?
Why we ain't freeze?
I said, why we keep freezing?
Why we keep freezing?
Oh, I don't know.
Y'all. She
Stand back. I want to see what you got on.
I need my phone.
I want to see.
Hey, remember how we Toto? Jaleel about to get in trouble when I have no Toto.
Oh, you finna get in trouble. Hey, y'all look, my mama used to stay getting on my ass about that too. I don't feel comfortable now wearing dress without nothing under it. Yeah. Hey, I want y'all to do the up channel. Do the up channel.
Bitch, I don't know how to dance. I learned a fucking story. So you live, Happy?
Hold up. Y'all left me hanging in the corner. Mama Jones stopped talking to me, had me looking at her neck.
What? Mama don't got everything to do with you.
Well, if y'all can't do that one, do the she's a runner, she's a track star.
This shit, Paris.
What she said?
Look at this shit.
Bitch, what the fuck? Shut up.
Call you talking to me.
Mama Jones shit. Because Mama Jones said
Y'all, I really wish I was there.
and I'm furious.
But I'll be there.
Let's forget.
How she gonna be throwing the fuck up?
Girl.
Let me get fucking serious.
Bag up. Pepe in the camera talking about girl. Look at them. London really messing with Myra today. That's something.
Yes. Did you see that?
I see that. Don't know kids like Myra.
I'm the go.
Hey, do that one. Very good. Oh, look at Mika. I wish I knew how to do it. Jaleel, why you ain't do it? Why you ain't do it, Jaleel?
Your mama calling Jaleel. Who?
Yeah, she gonna run away when she gets caught.
Get down.
Hold up.
What you said?
Go ahead.
I said, why you ain't do it?
I'm not doing that shit.
Do it. I think you can do it. Go ahead. She's a runner. I'm gonna do it with you. Come on.
She's a runner.
Do your arms like this. She gonna run away when it gets hard.
Yeah, she's gonna run the shit dress on. How you do that shit?
Yeah, she gonna run away when she gets home.
How y'all do that shit?
You ain't gotta be close up. They can't see you so close. She's a runner. She's a track star.
How you do that?
Run away when she
Hey, you have to do that. She gonna run away when it gets hard in slow motion. Yay, 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 yay. Don't leave me.
Oh, we.
Hey, Lonnie. Hey, Lonnie, girl. I want to see Mara. Let me see Mara. Mara. Hey, my baby. I want to see Mara.
All right, Press, I'm finna get off my live. Get on Mars.
All right.
All right.
Cornbread, please. A cornbread. Right now. After the song, say we look nothing like. Jaleel's lighter. Oh my god. A lot of people.
No, we don't. Let me send it by light skin people. Come on, Cam.
Come on, let me put some up.
Marco packed no bags.
What? Tonight? Okay. Tonight? Come on, Jay. Yeah, the band is that. It's gonna be on.
They gotta dance.
Now some people.
I'm not perfect, I know sometimes.
Oh, shit. Oh, that shit stank. Hold up. That shit stank.
I tried brought him the quarter cup, but it's still red. I don't think nobody around still. I don't got it still yet. I can't chill yet, but I'm getting Mr. Spoon.
I get real chicks, baby, fucking like a porn star.